Hello everyone and welcome to Lingala Kitoko. Today's lesson we shall learn the animals and the meat in Lingala. We shall learn what or how do we call the meat of an animal, that is a live animal when it is butchered or killed. How is it called? I'm your Lingala teacher, JK29. Mbote na bino nionso. Boyeyi malamu na Lingala Kitoko. Na Liteya ya lelo, toko yekola nyama pe misuni na bango na Lingala. Lakisi ndenge nini okobenga nyama o babomi. Oza nyama ya bomo so babomi ye babenga yango nini na Lingala. Na zali molakisi na bino ya Lingala JK29. Are you ready to learn? Let's do it. Grab your notebook and pen. Please have a seat. Please have a seat. The animals and the meat in Lingala. Banyama pe misuni na bango na Lingala. To banana ngulu ya bomoy. So babomiye babenga kayango ngulu, itikala ka ngulu. A pig, when it is killed, it becomes, or they call it, pork. It is no longer a pig, but it becomes a pork. So ya bomo so babomiye itikala ka so. Chicken, when it is butchered, it remains chicken. It doesn't change a name. Kumbo ebonga nakati itikala soso. It doesn't change. It remains chicken. Ngombe, that is a cow. Ngombe o babomi ekomaka nyama ya ngombe. C'est-à-dire, elakisi etikala ka ngombe. A killed cow becomes beef. It is no longer a cow, but you have to call it a beef. Dendo to dend. Ya bomo soki bakati to babomiye. Etikala dend to dendo. A turkey, whether it is alive or killed, it is still called a turkey. Camela was a camel. Camela o babomi babenga kayango camela. Nemoho na dendo na sosos ezala na bomoy to babomi etikala ka lulenge moko. A camel, just like a turkey and chicken, whether it is alive or butchered, still remain a camel. Those three animals doesn't change in name: turkey, chicken, and camel. Whether you kill it or you leave it alive, you call it by its name. Hollande, Autriche. Soko wabomi yango obenga ka Autriche. Ostrich, when it is butchered, you will still call it an ostrich. Kasi, nyama ya zamba, mbolo kwa nzamba. Ngando mbolo kwa nzamba so babumi yango It's karambolo. A deer. When it's killed, it becomes a venison. You won't call it a deer anymore, but you have to call it a venison. Molakazama so wabomiye, obenga molakazama tekoma venison. Mpate o babomi babenga yango mwana mpate to nyama ya mpate. A butchered sheep is called either a lamb or a mutton. A butchered sheep is called either a lamb or a mutton. Yasuka chevo ezali misuni ya ntaba. Ntaba momo so babomi babenga yango chevon. Chevon is a meat of a goat. A goat, when it's being butchered or killed, it becomes chevon. Yo, that's it. You have learned how to call the meat of an animal in Lingala. If the today lesson and the previous lesson is as please you don't forget to like, comment, share with others, and subscribe. Oyoko sikawa misuni ya nyama. Soki Liteya to leso lelo sepesio to ilikaki ko sante ko eme ko chali loba ko partage na basusu pe ko s'abonner. I will see you next time.